Fayetteville gets 5 first down. They're going to see the block down right here, and then out, and then it opens up to be able to pick up that first down. Just excellent film study by the special teams during the week.